this video I'm going to do an editing challenge inside After Effects. But here's the deal. I will edit the same clip and sign one in 1 minute, one in 10 minutes, and one in 1 hour. But before we begin, I've got a little surprise for you. I'm giving away this awesome channel art to one of you guys. Just comment your Telegram ID and join to my Telegram channel. Link in the comments. I will announce the winner over there. Alright guys, let me show you the preview. For the 1 minute edit, I kept it super simple. I started pre-comp the clips and I added hard shake at the beginning to give it some impact. Then added a door color correction into it. Nothing too fancy, just quick. Ready to use effects so I could finish in time. And that's the final result of the 1 minute edit. For the 10 minutes edit, this is where I could slow down just a bit and actually make things look cleaner. I started by pre-comping the clips as always. Then I added a normal tweak shake across all the clips so the edit wouldn't feel too plain. After that, I threw on a film overlay to give it a bit more character. And finally, I finished it with a door color correction again, and honestly, it turned out pretty cool. For the 1 hour edit, I went all in on the details. I pre-comped the clips and added tweaker for that smooth professional slow motion. For the shake, I used a hard tweak shake and added some overlays to make it look better. I also threw in a few cool effects so the edit wouldn't feel flat. And lastly, I finished it off with a cool color correction for the clean, crisp look. Alright guys, let me know in the comments which was better, 1 minute, 10 minutes or the full hour. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.